Hello, welcome back to Melissa's reviews on courses, products that help you build your business, tips, tricks, and tutorials that I can put in front of you to decide what is right for your business, where you're at in your business, that you could use a specific product to help you grow or scale to that next 500 a month, 1,000, 10,000, and beyond. So I am looking at here showing you something called 10 Time Profit Plus, which is a software system that brings and creates your sales funnels and unlimited traffic and sales. So one thing I must preface with saying, if you don't have a product that you can sell or put through a sales funnel just yet, this would be one step too far. It's always great to have something on hand to be ready for it. However, if you have no digital content, no physical content, nothing you've created to put through a funnel, this step might not be for you just right now. So let's talk about this one for those who do have stuff they're trying to sell through funnels and create, whether it's courses, ebooks, any mini courses, things of that nature. Let's look through here and see everything that they are offering here. Oops. Thing here is it one at a time. So this particular amount for the product is $7.31. And then we go down to buying that product, and then they run it on autopilot after you kind of go through the tutorials that generate sales and traffic for your particular product. So then on the bottom here, you have, let's see, they have kind of some pretty lofty promises of be your own boss and everything like that, which is always great. It just is, there are steps that need to happen in order for that lifestyle to happen. I'm not going to sugarcoat. There is a lot of work in everything that goes into being your own boss and working from home. So this is definitely part of their, hope for you is to live financially free. And that is the product. Again, $7.31. And then it gives you that traffic and sales by using some top resources, and has diverse niches. Let's take a look here. And they have do it for you deep funnels, tips and tricks as well, and some testimonials right here. 30-day money back guarantee. And then you get, for acting right now, bonuses that include the maximum conversion rate tips and tricks bonus to increase your sales copies conversion rates. You would also receive bonus number 2. It's called Is Fire Your Boss Making Me Rich? And so what it is tips on how to basically create your online income stream while working 9 to 5, which a lot of us have to do, and then go full time before then you can kind of seamlessly go from your 9 to 5 to your steady work from home income. And then we have bonus 3. It's a do it for you 150 email swipes that win customers. And then we have, so that is, the price does increase after every sale. So this is that limited time offer for $7.31. All right, so here is my suggestion. If you have product or something you're ready to sell or ready to almost be selling, you're almost there, this product would be for you to help really get you through to having the funnels then created, having those email swipes, having the things that are developing your traffic and putting it into in front of the right people that would want what you are selling. If you do not have that just yet, then I will create and find steps for you and in video form to, navigate creating your particular content, whether that be, templates of calendars or like oh, man, there's just so many things you can create for people, like worksheets for kids, um, your own little tutorials. So those would be things that if you're getting ready to sell or almost ready, this would be the product for you. Um, and I hope that it does really skyrocket with the sales funnels that they're providing for you. I'm excited to hear how that works and what products you used with their system sales funnels. And just leave me a comment. Tell me how it worked for you, how you enjoyed it, or what you think could, how, give me any, the good, the bad, and let me know what you think. I will be back soon to share more product softwares that could help your business, things that I'm doing. Um, right now, I'm creating my own course. Um, so I'm hoping to share a lot of that with you and get you excited about the things that I'm able to teach as well. For now, $7.31 on this particular software system. Boost your sales funnels and they will create everything for you. And I will leave that link below. Have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I would love it if you could like and subscribe. And again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch. You have a fabulous day. Okay, bye.